Need to remove Amazon Alexa from one device and connect it with another? After watching this, you can easily switch devices without losing control of your smart setup. In this video, I'll show you how to disconnect Alexa from your old device and pair it with a new one. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. Using the Alexa app. Open up the Alexa app on your phone. Tap the device's icon at the bottom. It looks like a bulb light icon. Now select the device you want to remove Alexa from. Then tap on the settings from the top right corner. Scroll down a little bit. Tap Deregister. Confirm your choice by tapping Deregister again on the pop-up. Method 2. Factory resetting the device. Factory resetting will remove the device from your Amazon account. To do that, look at your Alexa device. Here you can see the volume down and the microphone off button. Now press the dot button on your Alexa device. Hold for 20 seconds. Light ring off and then back on in orange. This indicates that the reset process has begun and your device is now in setup mode. Now let's set up a new device. Open the Amazon Alexa app. Now make sure to plug in your Alexa device. Tap on the More icon below. Now tap the plus icon from the top. Then tap Device. Next, tap the Amazon Echo. After that, tap Echo, Echo Dot, or Echo Pop. Now press the dot button on your Alexa device to turn the orange light on. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device to your Wi-Fi network. Once your device is set up, take some time to explore the app. Connect smart home devices, set up routines, manage alarms and timers, and many more features. And this is how you can disconnect Alexa from your old device and pair it with a new one. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.